Why is listening practice important while learning English? Hey everyone, this is Naurin and welcome back to a new session of English with me. Today we will have a little listening practice session. But before that, let me ask you, why is listening important when learning English? Listening is one of the most important skill that helps in improving any language, not only English but any language. It helps build the foundation for other key skills like for speaking, reading, writing, etc. It helps improve speaking, pronunciation and also understanding of the language. When you listen carefully, you train your brain to understand or to recognize sounds, words, and sentence structure. It's like building a strong foundation for your English skills. So, listening is very important when learning English. So, today we will listen to a story about a day at the beach, told in two different speeds. The first one will be slow and the second one will be fast. So after each paragraph, like after each story, there will be some questions. You will have to answer those questions in the given time. And I'll read the story once. If you need or if you did not catch up, just listen to that story again and then answer the question that follows. I'll also explain why practice and repetition are key for improving. So listen closely and let's see how much you can understand. So here is our first paragraph. I'll read it slowly so you can catch up every word. Listening to slow speech allows you to focus on each word and phrase. This is great for beginners because it helps beginners to know how the sentences are formed and also help in improving your understanding of new vocabulary. So let's start. It was a warm and sunny day. Lisa and her family decided to spend the afternoon at the beach. They packed their picnic basket with sandwiches, fruit, and a bottle of lemonade. When they arrived, the beach was lively with people playing, laughing and relaxing. Lisa and her brother couldn't wait to splash in the water. The waves were gentle and the sand felt soft under their feet. Meanwhile, their parents set up a big umbrella and spread out their towels. Everyone was excited to enjoy a fun day together. Did you listen to the paragraph? Now let's look at some questions and try to answer those questions. What did Lisa's family pack for their picnic? What did Lisa's family pack for their picnic? Question number 2. What did Lisa and her brother do first at the beach? What did Lisa and her brother do first at the beach? How did the sand feel under their feet? How did the sand feel under their feet? So guys, in this paragraph, I forgot to tell you that I won't be adding any subtitles. I removed all the subtitles so that you can listen to it carefully. Here, listening is very important. We are focusing on listening. So now let's move to our second paragraph. Here also there won't be any subtitles. This time I'll speak a bit faster. Try your best to follow along. Listening to faster speech allows your brain to understand the real-life conversations. Native speakers don't always speak slowly, so practicing with faster audio will make you confident when speaking to others. Now let's look at the paragraph. After playing in the water, Lisa and her brother decided to build a sandcastle. They grabbed a bucket and shovel and got to work right away. Let's make it the tallest sandcastle ever, Lisa said. They built towers, dug a moat, and even decorated the castle with seashells they found nearby. Just as they were finishing, their mom called out, "It's lunchtime!" The kids ran back to the picnic spot, grabbed their sandwiches, and gulped down the refreshing lemonade. After lunch, they went back to the sandcastle to take a photo before the tide washed it away. So guys, how did it go? Now let's look at some questions. If you did not follow, please try to listen to this again. What did Lisa and her brother use to build the sandcastle? What did Lisa and her brother use to build the sandcastle? Question number 2. What did they do after building the sandcastle? What did they do after building the sandcastle? What happened to the sandcastle in the end? What happened to the sandcastle in the end? So guys, that's it. We just completed our slow and fast version of a story at the beach. Now about the answers of the comprehension. Just try to comment it down. There are 6 questions, 3 from the slow paragraph and 3 from the fast paragraph. Try to write your answers down in the comments and I'll pin the ones that got all the answers right. And if not, if it takes time for you, if it's difficult for you, I'll just share all the answers in the comments. Today, you practiced listening at both slow and fast speed and learned how repetitive and active listening help you improve. Remember, listening isn't just about hearing words. It's about understanding the words and how they are used in the context. If you want to improve even faster, just listen to this video once again and try to answer those questions without looking at the answers. And don't forget to let me know how you did in the comments. So guys, this is all about the listening practice. I hope you all enjoyed this video. I'll be back with a new video soon. Thank you for being a part of this journey. Bye.